is Embrace Audio Lab. Embrace Audio Lab offers X-round audio technology. It provides multi-channel listening experience on only 2 speakers setup. It is suitable for gaming kiosk, soundbar systems, and various AR/VR innovations. Now please welcome Embrace Audio Lab.
Hello, everyone. My name is Pan Lee, and I am the founder and the CEO of Embrace Audio Lab. You see the picture of a home theater here. So in the past, in the audio industry, so we tend to focus on how many speakers can be installed in a home theater and how many audio channels can be encoded into audio content and how high the audio resolution or the sampling rate we can reach. But no one really cares how to bring the originality, the very center part, and the compelling, soul-touching part of the sound to normal people like you and me. I think as an audiophile, it is very important to unleash the power of sound. I think people should have the right to enjoy the very center and soul-touching sound, even if we cannot afford high-end equipment or home theater, or we don't have the right technology to buy the correct product. So that is why it is very important to unleash the power of sound by technology. And that is why we decided to invent the X-round technology. So X-round technology is an audio signal processing technique that can transform any stereo sound source into a cinematic sound field, and also upgrade ordinary headphone into premium ones without a specially encoded format like Dolby or DTS. So what does that mean? Any content streaming down to the users can be enhanced into a home theater experiences, like from YouTube, from Vimeo, from Netflix, or from Spotify. Stereo content can be turned into multi-channel listening experiences. So this is the speaker mode of X-round. The X-round create that enhance the sweet listening spot into a sweet listening area. So the headphone mode enhance the detail of the soundtracks of every recorded soundtrack, provide more details, even if the audio quality is streaming audio quality. And down to the user, so we can still boost the reach of the sound details for user to have the standard quality of CDs. So the advantage of this is immersive. So X-round enhance the sound stage and sound depth and sound detail. It also is very universal for headphone and speakers. And the great part is that it's royalty free. So it doesn't require any Dolby or DTS format, just require purely stereo. So based on that technology, we have designed a magical audio booster that embedded X-round technology, which we call it X-Pump. This magical audio pump can turn any of your headphone or speaker on all devices and bring them back to life again. So just connect your all devices to X-Pump. You get extraordinary 3-dimensional sound like a home theater experiences. So based on that, we were preparing a crowdfunding campaign and to launch X-Pump at the end of August. So after that, we were invited to go into the IFA Berlin to showcase this product. So last month, very honored, we were invited to the Global Press Conference of IFA that held in Hong Kong. So we are announcing this technology to a full house of global tech media, more than 300 of them. So many of them showing very high curiosity. I also let them experience the power of X-round. So, and we also got very great review from Japanese very prominent audio review blog, FileWeb, and Nikkei BP, very high, valuable magazine in Japan. And also Slash Gear gives us a very high reputation on this product. Also local media and European media. Okay, so let's talking about our business model. So we just cover our B2C part, it's consumer part. It's a consumer product that everybody can use. It's a sound booster for everyone. And the other part is our enterprise solution. So we are selling, this is the consumer part, and it works for speaker and headphone. The speaker connecting with the XPOM, and the headphone connect to the XPOM as well. And the other part is the, we call it X-Round engine. This is designed for a premium gaming console sitting in casino or theme park. So this engine, building with X-Round technology, can enhance the gaming experience, and we can customize for games. So we already talked to a lot of global clients, like one in Argentina, one in Taiwan, and one in Spain, and one in the United States. So we are preparing to, we are working with some of them, and we aim to start to shipping in 2017. So this is the first introduction of X-Round technology back in 2015, almost at the end. It is called Global Gaming Expo in October in Las Vegas. So our technology wow more than 500 industry professionals in gaming industry. So that is the starting point, and we reach to the world. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have. And you know, 1,000 words cannot be more realistic comparing to a live demo. So people those who haven't come to our booth at G0560 to experience the power of sound X-Round, I encourage you. You still have 1.5 hours to listen to this sound effect. I encourage you to go there, and this is pretty much all I have to say. And thank you for all your attention. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Anis, please.
I think you have a B2B2C model, right, when it comes to business?
Oh, we have a B2B market. We have a B2C market.
Do you have any existing partnership with anyone? Any existing partnerships with anyone?
Oh, yes, we have already started to cooperate with 2 of our clients in B2B model. We are going to also shipping the product in 2017.
So you have not made any money yet, right?
Sorry?
You have not made any revenue yet?
Not yet, but they buy sample from us. Yeah. And we also aim to ship our consumer product mass production at the end of this year.
Jerry?
Yeah, so before I ask my question, just one comment. So for the second to last slide, if you're wowing 500 experts, you probably want to put a photo with a little bit more than one person. It's more persuasive. It's okay, it's a joke. Yeah. Okay, so for the B2B one, so you're inputting analog signal, right? Analog audio signal.
It has a versatile audio interface, like optical, USB, and analog. It depends on customer type.
Okay. And so for example, for your B2C type, it's purely analog, and then you digitize it, and then you process it, and then you
we build our algorithm onto silicon and.
What is the latency? What is the delay of the B2C?
There's no delay. It's a real time.
No, there's delay. I'm an analog design engineer. There's always a delay. In what level, theoretically?
One sample.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shenhui, Mr. Tong?
Yeah, can I just find out a little bit about your founding team? What is the background? How do you endorse the fact that you are in
basically,
space?
I am a researcher of audio algorithm. I used to be in the area of speech recognition, and then I do hands-free algorithm design. And after that, I found the audio is very interesting. There's no standard restriction, so I started to research on that and find a very good combination of algorithm can represent stereo sound and expand them into three-dimensional home theater-like experiences.
Sam?
Yeah, I have 2 questions. The first question is for audio business. It's very brand-driven,
Yes.
So how do you have a plan to build your brand?
Yeah.
The second question is, do you have did any study on user fatigue? Just like sometimes a lot of sound effect or even virtual reality is wow people for the first 2 minutes, but after that, then people just sick of it. Have you have any study on that?
For the brand-wise, so we are doing in the opposite direction, like Dolby or DTS, they want as many as channels as possible. So we want to do things as simple as possible. So we only have 2 ears, so why do we have like speaker arrays like that? So we have 2 speakers should be fair enough. The second one, you mentioned now about listening fatigue. So myself, I listen to this effect all day long, and all my team members and group friends. So we are testing it, and so far it's pretty good. It's just amazing. And it's very good for first-person shooting and adventurous movie. Yeah.
Last question, Anis.
Are you fundraising right now?
Not at this moment, so we want to sell the product as soon as possible. So after that, maybe we want to ramp up the volume, and we need more operation.
Actually, we have a little bit more time. Peter, please.
Sure. Over the last 18 years, I have at least seen 7 companies doing almost the same thing. You never mentioned how you are different.
So there are around 10 companies doing audio software in the world, but they want to license their algorithm to their customer. It depends on their customer to ship their invention. But their customer, in their company, they may...
So your difference is in your business model, not in technology.
The business model itself and the technology as
How
well.
is your technology better?
Because we compare the sound field expansion and the detail with them. We have objective analysis and also the subjective analysis for that. Yeah, thank you.
Judges? Thank you very much. This
Thank
is Embrace Audio Lab. Thank you very much.